Namaste and welcome back to Inspiring Mind. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial skill that can have a huge impact on your personal and professional life, that is how to speak so that people want to listen. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, speech is power. Speech is to persuade, to convert, to compel. So let's dive into our 6 valuable tips that will help you become a captivating speaker. Tips 1. Know your audience. Before you start speaking, it's essential to know your audience. Understanding their needs, interests, and background allows you to tailor your message in a way that resonates with them. As Maya Angelou wisely put it, I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. 2. Be confident and authentic. Confidence is key when it comes to engaging your listeners. Speak with conviction and believe in the value of your message. Remember the words of Helen Keller, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. 3. Use clear and concise language. Clarity is crucial in effective communication. Choose your words carefully and use concise language to convey your ideas. As Albert Einstein famously said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. 4. Utilize nonverbal communication. Communication is not just about the words we speak. Our body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice play a vital role in conveying our message. Keep in mind the words of Amy Cuddy, don't fake it till you make it, fake it till you become it. 5. Listen and respond. Communication is a two-way street. To make people listen to you, you must also be a good listener. Pay attention to the responses and reactions of your audience, and be responsive to their needs. As Dale Carnegie once said, to be interesting, be interested. 6. Tell compelling stories. Storytelling is a powerful tool to captivate your audience. Craft meaningful stories that relate to your message and connect with people on an emotional level. Remember the wise words of Maya Angelou, there is no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you. And there you have it, 6 valuable tips on how to speak so that people want to listen. Remember, communication is not just about speaking, but also about understanding and connecting with your audience. As you practice these techniques, you'll become a compelling speaker who can inspire and influence others. So go out there and make your voice heard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.